Hello students, in this video we are going to see about quadratic equations. The general form of a quadratic equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. The coefficient of x squared is not equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, this quadratic equation will reduce to linear equation. That's why we are restricting the coefficient a not equal to 0. We are going to solve a quadratic equation by factorization method or using the formula method, quadratic formula method, or using some algebraic identities. So three things we are going to learn in this video. This is the first problem we have. We are going to solve the given equation x squared plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. We are going to solve this using factorization method. For that, first what we have to do is, already I told you the general form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here in this problem, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to 10. We have to find the multiplication of a and c. So ac is equal to 1 into 10, which is equal to 10. This for this 10 with the sign we have to see. This is plus 1 and this is plus 10. So on multiplying these two we are getting plus 10. We have to find the factors for 10. 1 into 10 it is 10. Minus 1 into minus 10. Minus into minus it is plus. So plus 10. 2 into 5 plus 2 into plus 5 it is plus 10. Minus 2 into minus 5 it is plus 10. Minus into minus plus 2 into 5 10. Any other factor do we have? No. These are the 5 possibilities we have. After getting the possibilities, see the coefficient b. b is equal to 7. In which possibility when we add the factors are we getting 7? 1 plus 10 is 11. Minus 1 minus 10 is minus 11. 2 plus 5 is plus 7. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. So which one I can take? This one. So 2, 5 are the factors which I am taking for 10. Okay. Now from this equation I am going to split the middle term x squared. The factors what I get is 2x plus 5x plus 10 equal to 0. From these two terms, I'm going to take x as common. So x into x plus 2. So after taking x outside, here x is balance, here 2 is balance, x plus 2. From these two terms, after taking one term as common, we have to get this x plus 2. Accordingly, you have to select the common term. Okay, if I take 5 from both the terms, that is plus 5. Sign is also important. Since these two terms are plus and these two terms are plus, only plus 5 I can take outside. After taking plus 5, the balance what I have is x plus 2. See, these two terms should be the same, which is equal to 0. Now taking x plus 2 as common, x plus 2 into, here x is balance, here 5 is balance, x plus 5 equal to 0. So we have splitted this quadratic equation into linear factors x plus 2 into x plus 5. From this linear factors we can find the roots. Okay, so equating, since product of two terms is equal to 0 means either one term should be equal to 0. Either x plus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. When we take x plus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. When we take x plus 5 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 5. So these are the values, that is these are the solutions what we are getting for this quadratic equation. So answer for this problem is x is equal to minus 2, minus 5. Is that clear? So after factorization, we are getting the roots. I will tell you a shortcut method only when this coefficient is 1. This is applicable only when x squared coefficient is 1. Okay, not for all the cases. When x squared coefficient is 1, after taking this part, no, we have concluded that this 10 can be splitted as 2, 5, right? From this directly we can write the roots. If it is 2 plus 5, the roots are minus 2 minus 5. Change the sign and take the roots minus 2 and minus 5. This is only applicable when the coefficient of x squared is 1. Is it clear? Now the second problem, we are going to solve the given quadratic equation. Here also the coefficient of x is 1. So after getting the factors, directly we can write the roots. So on multiplying these two, AC is equal to 1 into minus 21. With the sign only we have to multiply, so it is minus 21. For minus 21, we have to write the factors. Minus 1 plus 21 plus 1 minus 21. Then with 3 minus 7 minus 3 plus 7. Anything else do we have? That's all, alright. So these are the 4 possibilities for 21. When we add these two, we are getting plus 20. When we add these two, we are getting minus 21. When we add these two, it is minus 7. When we add these two, it is, minus 4. And when we add these two, it is plus 4. We have the coefficient at B. The coefficient B is equal to 4. So we have to go with this possibility. So minus 3, 7. Since the coefficient of x squared is 1, from here itself directly we can write the roots. So the roots are, that is x is equal to plus 3, minus 7. Is that clear? The third problem what we have is, we are going to solve the given equation 3x squared plus 7x plus 4. Here the coefficient of x squared is not equal to 1. Therefore directly we are not able to write the roots. So AC, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 7 and C is equal to 4. We have to find AC. AC is equal to 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. So first we have to find the roots for 12. Plus 12 only. So 1 into 12, minus 1 into minus 12, then 3 into 4, minus 3 into minus 4, 6 into 2, minus 6 into minus 2. Anything else do we have? No, these are the respective possibilities for 12. So 12 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possibilities, right? So adding these two is 13. This is minus 13. This is 7. This is minus 7. This is 8. And this is minus 8. Which one we have to take? The coefficient is 7. So we have to take this 3, 4. Directly we are not able to write the roots for this case, since the coefficient of x squared is not equal to 1. Directly we are not able to write it. Okay, so we have to split this term. We have to expand the middle term. Okay, so how to expand it? 3x squared. So we are going to split this middle term. 3x squared. 7x can be written as 3x plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Totally we have 7x, that we have splitted as 3x plus 4x. Now these two terms are having 3x common. So 3x, after taking 3x, x's balance is the first term. Second term, 3x we have taken no, so 1 only balance. We have to get x plus 1 here. For that we have to take 4 outside. After taking 4 outside, what is the balance in the first term? X. And here it is 1. X plus 1 equal to 0. So after taking these two terms outside, x plus 1 into 3x is balance and here 4. So 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, we have x plus 1 equal to 0 or 3x plus 4 equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1. And 3x plus 4 equal to 0 means 3x is equal to minus 4. Then x is equal to minus 4 by 3. So we got two values. X is equal to minus 1 and the other one is minus 4 by 3. So these two are the answers for the given problem. The next problem what we have is x squared minus 10x plus 25. So when we multiply these two, it is plus 25. For 25, 125, then minus 1 minus 25, then 5, 5, minus 5, minus 5. We have the coefficient as minus 10, so we have to go with this. When we add this, it is minus 10, right? Since the coefficient of x squared is 1, from here itself directly we can give the roots. How we can write? What is the sign we have? Minus 5, minus 5. So the answer for this problem is plus 5 comma plus 5. Is that clear? The next problem what we have is we are going to solve the given equation 2x squared plus 9x plus 9. So here a is equal to 2 and c is equal to 9. So ac is equal to 18. So for 18 we have to write 1 18 minus 1 minus 18. For 18 in 3 it is 3 6 minus 3 minus 6. Anything else? 9 2 minus 9 minus 2. Since we have the total as 9, which one I can select? This one. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So we have to go with this. Since the coefficient of x squared is not equal to 1, we have to split the terms. 2x squared plus 9x can be written as 6x plus 3x plus 9. From these two terms, I can take 2x outside. So after that, x plus 3. From these two terms, I can take 3 outside. After that, x plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, 2x plus 3 into x plus 3 equal to 0. So 2x plus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. X plus 3 equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 3. And this is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Is that clear? Now we are going to see the quadratic formula method. If the equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, the formula what we have is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. This is the first problem we have. We are going to solve the equation 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. This if you are able to factorize this, you can do it, okay, but here we are not going to factorize it. We are going to use formula method. In some problems we are not able to factorize, so in that places strictly you have to use this formula method. So the problems which are not able to factorize, that we can apply formula method, but this method we can factorize also, but I have taken this and I am going to solve this using quadratic formula method, okay. So what are the coefficient of x squared, x and constant? A is equal to the coefficient of x squared, that is 4. The coefficient of x is b, so b is equal to 12. And the constant term is c, c is equal to 9. So a is equal to 4, b equal to 12 and c is equal to 9. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So here x is equal to minus b, minus 12 plus or minus root of b squared, 12 squared minus 4 into a into c by 2 into 4. So which is equal to minus 12 plus or minus root of 12 squared is 144 minus 4 4s are 16, 16 into 9 144. So 144 minus 144 by 8. These two will get cancelled. Square root of 0, it is 0, which is equal to minus 12 plus or minus 0 by 8, which is minus 12 by 8, which is equal to minus 3 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. We have to give two answers. Both the roots are same here. Since this value is 0, both the roots are same here. At the end of the video, I will tell how to find the nature of the roots using this formula method. Depending upon this, we have to decide. Actually, this is called the discriminant. Based on the discriminant, we can tell the nature of the roots. Since b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, both the roots are equal. And the equal roots are minus 3 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. Therefore, we are getting the answer for this problem as x is equal to minus 3 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. The next problem is x squared plus 5x plus 4. This also can be done in factorization method, but here we are going to use formula method. which is equal to A is equal to 1, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 4. What is the formula? Minus B. So minus 5 plus or minus B squared. 5 squared is 25 minus 4 into 1 into 4. 4 into 1 into 4, that is 16 by 2 into 1, that is 2. Minus 5 plus or minus 25 minus 16 is 9 by 2. Root of 9 is 3. So minus 5 plus or minus 3 by 2. So we have two possibilities. Minus 5 plus 3 by 2. Minus 5 minus 3 by 2. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. Minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. Minus 8 by 2 is minus 4. So the values are minus 1 comma minus 4. This problem I will do using factorization method too. How to find multiplying these two? We are getting 4. So tell me the factors for 4 and getting the total 5. For 4 into 1. When we add this, total is 5. So the roots are x is equal to minus 4 comma minus 1. The same answer here. If we are able to factorize the problem, means directly we can factorize and get the roots. In some cases, we are not able to factorize. Such kind of problems can be solved using this method. And the next one is using algebraic identities, we are going to solve the given equation. Already you know these three formulae. A plus b the whole square is equal to a plus b into a plus b, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square is equal to a minus b into a minus b, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. We are going to do some problems using these identities. This is the first example, x squared plus 6x plus 9. This can be done using factorization method too. But now we are going to use the identities. Okay. This is actually x plus 6x plus 9, which is equal to x plus 3 the whole square. When we expand, what we are getting? X squared plus 2 into a into b, that is 2 into 3 into x plus 3 squared, that is 9, which is x squared plus 6x plus 9, right? How we can find that is using the identity. See this part. If it is a perfect square, that is 9 can be written as 3 squared. If it is a perfect square, so 9 means 3 squared, no? And see this coefficient. If we are able to convert this as 2 into the perfect square, what we are getting? No, 2 into 3, 6, right? In that case, we can do the identities, right? So first you find this. For example, if we have the equation x squared plus 4x plus 4. 4 can be written as 2 squared and this 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So this can be simplified as x plus 2 the whole square. So like this only we have to judge whether we are able to use the identity or not. No confusion. If you are not able to judge that, means directly you go with the factorization method. That is not a problem. Okay. But this will reduce the steps. This will consume less time comparing with factorization or formula method. So after confirmation, this is x plus 3 the whole square, no? So x plus 3 the whole squared means x is equal to minus 3 comma minus 3. Here x plus 2 the whole squared means x is equal to minus 2 comma minus 2. These are the answers. And the same thing what I said, if you are able to convert this as a perfect square, 5 squared, and we can write this as 2 into 5. So this is x squared minus 2 into 5x plus 5 squared. Since we are getting minus sign, it is x minus 5 the whole square. A minus b the whole square formula. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared, no. So this formula we have to apply here. This. So directly we can say x is equal to plus 5 comma plus 5. So these are the answers. Is it clear? The third problem is 9x squared minus 16. This we can rewrite as 3x the whole squared minus 4 squared. See, 3x the whole squared is 9x squared, 4 squared is 16. So already we know the formula. A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So using this, we can rewrite this as 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 4. 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 4 equal to 0 means 3x plus 4 equal to 0 implies x is equal to minus 4 by 3. And 3x minus 4 equal to 0 implies x is equal to plus 4 by 3. So these things are shortcuts, or else we can factorize that and easily we can find. Okay, this one if you are not able to get, means since the coefficient of x is 0, no, so directly we can do it. 9x squared minus 16 equal to 0. So 9x squared is equal to plus 16. So x squared is equal to 16 by 9. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus root of 16 by 9, which is equal to plus or minus 4 by 3, which is equal to plus 4 by 3 comma minus 4 by 3. Like this also we can do this problem. Is that clear? Finally, we are going to see the nature of the roots. Already in between I said no, depending upon this one we can say what kind of roots we are going to get it. So if the equation is of the form, and this is the formula, if I take this as the discriminant, or I can use the symbol d. D is equal to minus b squared minus 4ac. This is called the discriminant. We have three cases. If this d is b squared minus 4ac is positive, means the two roots are real roots and distinct roots, that is different roots. Okay. If this is equal to 0, means two roots are real but both are equal. In this problem we saw no, these 144 minus 144 0, therefore this b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. Finally we got both the roots as minus 3 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2. Like this only we can confirm. B squared minus 4ac equal to 0 means two roots are real roots and they are equal roots. If b squared minus 4ac is less than 0 means no real root we are going to get. Those roots are imaginary roots. Is that clear? So in this video we saw how to solve a quadratic equation using factorization or formula method or using some algebraic identities. That's all today. So kindly subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.